Hello students, today we have to start a new chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. ठीक है, same chapter we have done in 9th class also, but at that time as it was starting so only basics were there. Now we have to go in detail of it. ठीक है, and very first topic that we will do in this chapter is how to find distance between 2 points when its coordinates are given. ठीक है, like in ninth class we have done only this much, that how to plot a point on the graph on the Cartesian plane when coordinates are given to us, or how to read the coordinates of a point which is given already on the Cartesian plane, and to check whether it lies in which quadrant or on which axis. ठीक है, this type of questions we have done, but now we will learn how to find the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given using the distance formula. ठीक है, coordinates of 2 points will be given to us and we have to find the distance between them, and that how we will do, we will use distance formula. So what is the distance formula? देखो, if on the Cartesian plane suppose 2 points are given to us P and Q whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2 respectively. ठीक है, coordinates given है, तो what will be the distance formula? Using the distance formula, PQ distance will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ठीक है, x2 minus x1 means abscissa of both the points we will subtract and then we will do square of it. Similarly, ordinates we will subtract and do square of it, and then we will add them with each other, and finally we will find square root of that. So that will give us the distance between 2 points. And some students cram this formula that x2 minus x1 square it is there, but it is not compulsory always to take x2 minus x1. We can take x1 minus x2 also according to our ease. ठीक है, because it will not do any change in the value as square is there, upside whole square है. So if x2 minus x1 what value becomes square we will do, same will be there if x1 minus x2 square we will do. Clear? That we know that minus subtraction is not associative, like 5 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, but 3 minus 5 is minus 2. But after doing the square both will give us 4. So there is no problem in taking x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. Same is with y, any one value we can take. So let's more understand and clear it with the help of one sum. Question number 1 is find the distance between points P4, 6 and Q6, 8. 2 points given है whose coordinates are given to us 4, 6 and 6, 8. We have to find distance between them. So we will use distance formula to find the distance. Firstly we will write the values, like x1 is 4 and y1 is 6. First point बेटा हमारा P है and x1 4 हो गया, so y1 6. Similarly second point is our Q whose coordinates are 6, 8. So x2 हो गया 6 and y2 हो गया 8. Now PQ distance we have to find. Put the values in the distance formula. Square root of 6 minus 4 square, x वाले जो which abscissa are there both we have to subtract. 4 minus 6 also I can do, but you know 6 minus 4 is easy, ना पॉजिटिव नंबर आएगा तो that is easy. 6 minus 4 हो गया. Similarly y2 minus y1 8 minus 6. ठीक है, 2 square is 4, both are same. 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 4 and 4 हो गए 8. And what is the value of square root 8? Factors of 8 are 3 times 2. Factor prime factors when we will do of 8, that are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है, पेयर वी विल मेक एंड फ्रॉम पेयर 1 2 वी विल टेक आउटसाइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट, 1 विल बी इनसाइड, सो पी की वैल्यू आ गई बेटा 2√2. Units we will write simply because distance should be in any unit, but here unit is not given, कोई सेंटीमीटर, मिलीमीटर, मीटर, anything is not given, so simply we will write के units. Okay, next हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, find the distance between points. Same question is again, only difference is कि one origin is given, you know ना what is origin, coordinates of origin are 0 0, and second simple point कि मैंने distance find करना है. No problem, you can find it, same question है using distance formula. Third question आ गया बेटा, determine if the points 1 5 2 3 and -2 -11 are collinear. So what is the meaning of question? We have to check whether these points are collinear or not. And what is the meaning of collinear? देखो collinear, ठीक है, linear है ना line, so collinear means when we will say the points are collinear, when all the 3 points will lie on the same line, then the points are called collinear. If only 2 points are there, then they are always joined by a single line. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो ना, any 2 points you can take on the plane on the paper and you will see कि only one line is enough to join them, but when we will take 3 points then it is not compulsory that they will lie on the same line. ठीक है, the third point can on be the line or not on the line, so that only we have to check whether the points are collinear or not, means we have to check whether these 3 points lie on the same line or not. And that how we have to check? Beta 3 points are given, to 3 distances we can find, like 3 points are A, B, C. So what 3 distances we can find? A, B, B, C and A, C. In this way 3 points, 3 distances we can find, and we have to check whether sum of any of the 2 distance is equal to the third distance or not. If it is so, then only the points will be collinear, otherwise not. समझ आ रही है? 3 distances we have to find, then we have to check कि क्या उनमें से किसी भी 2 distance का sum third distance के equal आ रहा है. If yes, then only the points will be collinear, otherwise not. So let's start how we have to do. Let ABC be the given points. Name दे दी हमने ABC so that it is easy for us to find the distance. अब मान लो मैंने पहले फाइंड करना है AB, डिस्टेंस फार्मूला यू नो, यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फार्मूला AB का डिस्टेंस वी हैव फाउंड दैट इज √5. देन सेम वी विल डू विद BC आ गया बेटा √214 एंड AC आ गया √265. And with the values clearly it can be seen that sum of any 2 distances is not equal to the third distance, because स्क्वायर रूट में जो बेस है दैट इज डिफरेंट. ठीक है, पावर सेम है सारी, स्क्वायर रूट है 1/2 इज देयर, बट बेस आर नॉट सेम. ठीक है, एंड स्क्वायर रूट व्हेन बेस आर नॉट सेम देन दे विल नेवर ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट विद ईच अदर. To add the and subtract the square root numbers, the base should be same. ठीक है, तो it means they will not add with each other, तो it means their sum will not be same to third, ना sum नहीं आएगा third के equal. So in this way we can conclude that these points are not collinear. Clear? Next देख लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Check whether points 3 points are given are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not. So what is isosceles triangle? पता है, isosceles triangle is a triangle whose 2 sides are equal. एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल जिसकी 2 sides equal होती हैं, that we are saying isosceles triangle. तो same again 3 points are given to us, 3 distances we will find AB, BC and AC, and then what we will do, we will see whether any 2 sides are same or not. कोई भी उनमें से 2 साइड इक्वल हैं या नहीं है. AB, BC and AC 3 distances we will find, then we will check कि क्या उनमें से कोई 2 सेम आ रहे हैं. If the 2 will be same, then we will say yes they are vertices of isosceles triangle, otherwise no. अगर तीनों इक्वल नहीं आ रहे, अलग अलग आ रहे हैं तीनों, तो they are, it means they are the sides of scalene triangle. And if तीनों इक्वल आ रहे हैं, then they are sides of equilateral triangle. For isosceles triangle, only two should be equal. Two should be equal with each other. Third will be any different value. Two will be same. Clear? So today you have to do question number 1 to 5 of this exercise 7.1. And if there is any problem, then you will ask me. Thank you.